over Small Paws. Today we're going to be showing you 2 of Rowan's creations. And so right now we're going to do the boat.
Oh my god.
Rowan. And so, first...
You messed up.
No, I did. First you do this.
Look at the print.
First you do that. And then... Oh yeah, I did mess up. Okay, you do this. And you take your slab and put it right there. Then, put 2 white banners with red cross.
Oh my god.
Go in. And so, yeah, we'll be back for the second one.
Hello, this is Rowan Littletail.
And Oliver Small Paws, and we're back to build the cruise ship. Okay, so show them how, Rowan.
It's not as simple, kind of, but yeah.
Yeah, Rowan, just remember how to build it.
Okay, 5 blocks at down.
What 5 blocks?
You know.
Okay, Rowan, place 3 blocks down. Fly a little lower. 3 blocks.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Now, would you like the Rowan?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, place the upside down stairs. Upside down stairs, bud. Sorry, guys, if this is annoying. This is the first time he's actually building something. Whoa, destroy that one. Good. Now do that on the other side.
I'm ready for to build this, guys.
Okay. Now, look at the other one.
No, we're gonna go like...
Remember what you do. Place those 2 blocks down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and destroy that one slab at the back. I'll place the Rowan. Okay, watch this. Watch this. Give the controller to me. Okay, thank you. Okay, and so I'm gonna place 2 slabs right here, and then the upside down stairs.
Hey, now I know how, Gage. I do.
The pool's gonna go right here, and this. Oh shoot. Shoot, Ron, can you deal with the smokestack? Break it. Now curve a little. Yeah, smokestack. Switch it. Good. Now show them it. Oh no, Ron, you gotta do the buttons. The buttons.
That one's
Buttons, Rowan.
That was wrong.
Replace that.
Oh yeah, the buttons are at the end.
Rowan, replace that block that you
Don't forget
destroyed.
about the buttons.
Can you replace that block you destroyed, Rowan? I can't hold it all day, Rowan.
I know. This?
Guys, this is why you don't let a beginner make your videos.
I'm not a beginner.
Rowan, no, stairs. You know how this is, how much this is annoying to people watching, right? So do stairs. Court stairs. Stairs. Good. Now place down the buttons. Place them down. Woo! Sorry guys, this is probably very annoying. I let him build his cruise ship, which he really wanted to make. So, this is how they build a cruise ship and a pirate ship. Bye! Say bye, Rowan.
Bye.